Okay, so this is the beginning of the lecture series on Chapter 10, CCNA Routing and Switching version 6, Scaling Networks. I actually did the summary first. Now I'm going to do the introduction. So there are there are two main sections, and of course the summary. In section 1, we're going to talk about advanced single area OSPF configuration. Interface priority in order to influence DR/BDR election, default route propagation, and changing interface settings to improve network performance. Some of this we've already covered a little bit when we started talking about interface bandwidths, interface cost, auto cost reference bandwidth, that kind of thing. So we'll go into more depth on that. So this should be this should be familiar, a lot of it, from what you've already done with Chapter 8, with Chapter 8 and Chapter 9. Then we're going to talk about troubleshooting single area OSPF implementations. We're going to talk about the process. We're going to talk about how to deal with missing routing table entries in OSPF v2, missing routing tables in OSPF v3, and in single area mode. And then finally, once we've established those concepts, dealing with missing routing table entries in multi-area OSPF v2 and v3. There's not a section about troubleshooting multi-area OSPF implementations because really and truly, if you can do this, troubleshoot your missing multi-area OSPF v2 and 3 routes, you're good to go. If you can troubleshoot the inner workings of any given OSPF area, you can scale that skill set up to deal with multi-area OSPF. Optimize the individual areas, do any further optimization between the areas, and you're good to go. So we're going to talk about single area OSPF configuration, multi-area, single area OSPF troubleshooting, and finally the summary, which I've already filled. So let's get going.